Geofencing, hyper-local target marketing. With device ID geofencing, we can create custom shapes around different locations targeting users who have been in those fences within the time frame you define. It could be the last 3 months, 45 days, or 6 months. Device ID can fit in multiple places along your customer's journey. Awareness, interest, intent, purchase, loyalty. In order to successfully engage a potential consumer, each step in the buying journey requires a unique message and digital product. Popular targeting strategies include visitor targeting. Reach consumers who have visited target locations in the past, regardless of where they are now. Conquest visitor targeting. Reach consumers who have visited target locations in the past, regardless of where they are now. Household extension and lookalike targeting. Expanded audience segments that include other devices in the household and/or audience members with the same demographic and behavioral attributes. Example of geofencing in action. Grady's Pizza is losing customers due to increased competition in the area. How do we fix this? Utilize device ID location strategies to reach potential customers on their specific devices in various locations. Strategy: target current customers that have been in his pizza shop, perhaps with an offer of free breadsticks with the purchase of a large pizza. Target competitor pizza stores, tailor messages to those people to lure them into his store. Think of where potential customers might hang out. Stadiums, baseball fields, target those with alluring messages as well. Call SEO 727 today to learn more about geofencing and your business. 727-203-1543